Let's go far away together, a journey that we'll always remember. The world outside is waiting wide with secrets that we've yet to find. The road ahead, it seems so grand, a story that will soon expand. We'll leave behind the daily grind, the worries that have been unkind. Underneath the open sky, our adventure's about to fly. The sun will rise on brand new days as we walk along these ancient ways. The wind will sing a gentle song, guiding us where we belong. Let's go far away together, to places that we've never seen. Through mountains high and oceans wide, our love will be our guiding light. Let's go far away together, leaving all our troubles behind. We'll build a world of our own kind in this journey that we'll define. We'll find a hidden waterfall, the water's like a crystal wall. The trees will whisper soft and low, sharing tales of long ago. At night we'll watch the stars align as if they're drawing out our sign. The moon will cast a silver glow on this path that we'll always know. We'll meet the locals on the way and learn the stories of their day. Their smiles will warm our hearts so true, making this trip all